All right, y'all. I guess we can get started. Let's see. Watch me work. Let's go in to Apple Watch wallpaper. We can do flower backgrounds. And let's go ahead and open them up. Okay. Good to go on those. Solid. Open another browser. Open up let's do chat first. Get everything set. And then we'll go here and open or just type in Google winter. No, we'll type in winter flowers. These look pretty cool. Oh, those are cool. So let's open those up real quick. I'm on an Apple, so I'm gonna take and just do a screen grab, and my screen grab will show up here. So I'm good with this. I'll go ahead and close that out, and I will close that out. And then in chat, I'll say I need a image that looks like this, but is unique. And then I'm gonna go to my desktop, grab my image out. I need an image, okay, sure. And then let's let it work. Takes a little time. All right, it pushed me out these daisies. It looks like there's like frost or something. Man, I like this. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and download it. And you can see it go straight to my download in Chrome. I'm gonna click it and I'm gonna open it in preview. Again, I have Mac, y'all, so this is how I work. So I'm just gonna export this, and I want it as a PNG, and it's going to my desktop. So you'll also see it go here on my desktop. I have my browser kind of small in the area so that we can see what I put on my desktop. All right, so now we can close that, and we can actually, I'm gonna leave chat open for a second because I like this information in here, the description. And we'll go over to the wallpaper that I opened up before, and because that's a flower that's in there, I'm going to add another slide. This is Google Slides, so nothing special. So I'm gonna replace this image, and I'm gonna open up my computer, and I'm gonna go to my desktop where I know that these two files are. So I'm gonna hit preview so I can see the file, and then that one's there. I don't even need that one anymore, but I do need this file. So I'm gonna open that up. It opens right up. I'm gonna double click in the slide just so I can maybe get more of the flowers in there, because the flowers are what looks cool. All right, if I'm satisfied with that, I can go over to download, and I'm gonna download this PNG image, and it's going to my downloads folder, which I already have a window open for that. So you can see that here. And now that I've done that, that's the actual product. I'm gonna go over to here, and I'm gonna get a product image. So I'm gonna right click on that. Again, this is simply another Google Slides, so nothing special. And then with this, I'm gonna send it to the back, and that's gonna reveal the image that was sitting behind it before. I wanna replace this image from desktop, which is actually not desktop. I'm gonna get it from, I'm gonna preview it real quick. From my downloads, push it through, And then I'm gonna right click on that image and send it to the back. This is the Apple Watch wallpaper product image. So I'm gonna go and I'm gonna download it as well. And this time I'm gonna do JPEG. All right, and that downloaded to my downloads folder, which I have open here. So you can see that is my product image and that is the actual product. Now that I've done all that, I'm going to open Etsy and navigate to my listings. And once I'm in my listings, you can see here that I have quite a bit of listings that are already up there. But what I will do is, because it was for flowers, I'll find me one that's flowers like this last one I had here. And I will go to it, click copy. And now that I know that it's a copy there, I'm gonna change this name first, the title. And remember I told you to keep ChatGPT open? Well, we're gonna yank this out of here. Frosted daisies with delicate snow crystals and a glowing sunrise. I like it. So I'll just copy that. And here I will, since I already kind of had this set up, I'll add it in there. Frosted daisies, and I'm gonna keep with the format. And then I'm also gonna copy this again because I'll need it in a second. So here for the image, I'll click on that, and remember this is just the copy, so I need to add the new one in, which is sitting right there on in the downloads folder from the two that I created. So I'll add that in there and I'll make it the primary, and I'm going to delete this one because it's not there anymore for that. And then in the description, I'm gonna go ahead and label it or put that in there with the name of it. So that's all good. And if you're wondering, these are the download steps. So that goes on all of the products. So I only had to make it one time. Okay, so now I'm scrolling down and it shows me my thumbnail and what it's gonna look like. That's cool on the shop. That's what everybody else sees. And then we have the actual product itself. I'm gonna delete that, go in here and add the product. And that's what people will get when they download it, when they purchase it and buy it. High resolution file design. Yep, this will all stay the same. I've already worked on them. That's the price. That's my estimated profit per, and I keep it at about 10. It's a new product. And then in here for digital files, I'm gonna go in and make sure that they are digital files. It says who made it. I did. What is it? It's a finished product. I made it just now today. So it's gonna go to between 2020 and 2025, and it was definitely created by me. Here we got digital art, drawing, illustration, and then digital or art and collectibles. I'm sorry, I said that wrong. So that category is solid. The primary attributes, we can kill those on this one. It's not necessary. The width, the height, all of that good stuff is not necessary. Yeah, I think we're good to go on this one. These are all in there for Apple Watch faces. All my tags, won't need to mess with that. Materials, yep. That's exchange is going in Apple Watch category on in the shop section, and I'm good. I'm gonna publish it. This is just letting me know, hey, it's gonna cost you if you're putting this on, and this is how long it's gonna cost. It's gonna run. So boom. Okay, I did that, and now I'm gonna go here to the Etsy shop and scroll down just a little, and there it is. There's the product, the name for the product. If I go to the next image, you'll see here they like for you to put videos. I'm not putting videos yet, but here's the product, and you can see some good reviews from other stuff that's been sold on the site. And if you want to see more information about the product, it's here. But that's it. From the top of the page to the bottom of the page, that is the product. Thank y'all for following along with me today. It's yeah, it's been fun. See how this product does. Fingers crossed. Peace.